Hey folks, it's Lauren from Snowy's here with the Quest Razor Table 120.
Hit it.
This table has a durable powder coated steel frame, making it heat resistant and weather resistant. It has a 50 kilo weight rating and packs thin and compact. Hold up, to make sure you don't miss any of our awesome content, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get back to it. So the table weighs just under 7 kilos, and when it's packed up, it's nice and flat, but the tabletop, obviously it's not a foldable table. So it's 120 centimeters long by about 50 centimeters wide by about 3 centimeters thick. So the table itself has got 2 sets of fold out legs, like this, and then the edges have a little this slider here, and then they've got like a little locking spot on the end, a little circular spot there that is a little bit larger than the slider and locks into place at the top of that little peg, I guess you could call it, coming off the side of the leg there. And the same thing for the other side, which I will do like so. And I'll also show you while we're here, get these clicked into place, is that the legs of the table have an adjustable little foot stopper here. So I think maximum setting it goes out to about 2.5 centimeters. So it's not going to offset a massive slope, but it is going to be really handy if you are camping on really rocky or uneven ground. So the table itself, once the legs are set up, is nice and sturdy. So speaking of uneven ground, we're on a bit of uneven ground here. So at its height now, it's about 75 centimeters tall, and the table is made from a powder coated steel. So it's going to be weatherproof, and it's also heat proof. I'm pretty sure it's rated to up to 200 degrees Celsius. So we've got this really easy clean surface with the fold over edges of the table here, meaning we're not getting like a lip or a join where food and other sort of gunk can get stuck. And we have this honeycomb edge on one side. So this is really great for heat dissipation, or potentially even if you want to do your dishes and you don't want water to pool and that's just going to drip straight through to the ground. But then we've also got this other section, which is just the solid piece, which is really great for meal preps. And just generic table space. So if you're looking for a table that sort of combines your dishwashing space or your cooking space as well as having a bit of table space, so you don't have to bother with having 2 separate tables, this is a really great option for you. So the tabletop itself has a weight rating of about 50 kilos. So I'm going to put a fair bit of weight on this to see how much of a flex I can get. So as you can see, there's more of a flex here on the honeycomb side than there is on this solid side, but it's very, very sturdy, very, very solid. And if we give it, I love a good shake test. So we'll go from, just making sure I've got this set up here. So we'll go from side to side. So that's putting in a fair bit of effort there. So there is a little bit of movement side to side where the legs are obviously moving out, and that's naturally where we do see a bit more movement of a table. But going side to side can often be a good indication of stability. So yeah, I'm pushing from side to side here, and it's not really moving at all, and it's not twisting either. So it's a nice solid table, nice and sturdy. The frame itself is also made from a powder coated steel. So you've got a really excellent table that's potentially going to suit even the fishermen in your life, or if you like to go fishing when you're camping, you can give this table a nice big hose down as well. So that's about it for the Quest Razor Table 120. You can get this at snowys.com.au.